Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. I hope you are enjoying the videos, you are watching every day the different subject videos and you are trying to understand the chapters related to it. Okay students, so in this video I am going to teach you class 5th maths exercise 3.5. So students, in exercise 3.5 what the questions are given, so we have to see that. Okay, so students, see here, find the LCM by the prime factorization method. So students, in previous videos we have learned about how to find the HCF by prime factorization method, but now you have to understand how to find the LCM. Okay, so what is the full form of LCM? LCM, full form of LCM is least common multiple. And what was the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Okay, so this is least common multiple. So students, by the prime factorization method, how to find out? Let us see. 24 and 36. First question is 24 and 36. So students, in 24 and 36 by prime factorization, so first find the prime factors of that numbers, means by which number it can be divided. So starting from 2, take a prime number 2 multiplied by how much to get 24? 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So it is 2 12s are 24. Okay, 12 can be further divided. Yes students, it can be further divided. It is 2 6 are 12. Okay, I am writing shortly so that it will be visible for you, visible to you. Okay, so see here 24. 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 24. Now 12. 2 6 are 2 6 are 12. Okay students, now 6. So 2 3 are 6. So we have received the prime factors as 2, 2, 2 and 3. So now we have to see for 36. So what are the prime factors of 36? So students, try to divide it by 2 first we will do. Yes, it can be because 6 is here in one space. So 2 ones are 2, 1 left, 1 6, 2 8 is 16. So 2 18s are 36. Okay students. Now see here 2 multiplied by 9. 2 9s are 18. Yes or no? And 9, table of 2 or 3? Answer 3. Very good. 3 3s are 9. So we have received the prime factors as 2, 2, 3 and 3. So students, now here how to solve rest. Okay. See 24 and 36. So directly write here 24 is equal to, what are the factors here? Prime factors 2, 2, this 2 and this 3. Okay, after receiving this, okay, what you have to do? After that you have to write the same thing of 30, the prime factors of 30, not 30, sorry 36. So now 2, 2, 3 and 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. After this we have to find the least common multiple. Okay, so therefore the LCM of 24 and 36 is equal to. So now students, what we have to see? Be careful. Okay, what we have to do? See carefully. Okay, so see here, now see the common factors in both. 2 is there, we will circle 2. Then 2 is there in both. Yes, but 2 here 3. No, and 3 3. Yes. So students, what we have to do now? Whatsoever the common factors we have received, that we will write once. Means for these 2 we will write one time 2. So I have written 2 multiplied by. Okay, now this common 2, write 2 again. Then this common 3 again. Now students, after writing this, we have to see what the other factors are present in this. So after watching this, we are able to see 2 and 3 are the rest factors. So all we have to write 2 and 3. So only one time it is given. We will write one time. But remember, the common factors we have to write single time. So now try to multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 3s are 24 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 7. So we are receiving the answer here as 72. So students, we have to multiply the common factors. We will take once and the rest factor completely, and then we will we will multiply these all numbers. Okay, so in this way we can find the LCM of 24 and 36. But students, here I had shown you how to find the LCM by prime factorization of two numbers. But question number 6 I will show you, which is having 3 numbers. Okay, so how to find? I hope you have understood this, but some only few difference will be there in 3 numbers. Okay, so try to understand. So students, question number 6 is 15, 25 and 30. Now find the prime factors of 15, 25 and 30. So now students, 5, so 3 5s are 15, it will not come in the table of 2. 25, 5 5s are 25 students, and 30 of course in the table of 2 it comes. So first we will take 2, 15s are 30, 2 15s are 30. Now 15 can be further divided. 3 5s are 15. So now what are the factors now? So 15 is equal to how much? 3 into 5. 25 is equal to 5 into 5, and 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. So students, after writing this, what we will see now, earlier only 2 numbers were present, but here students 3 numbers are there. So now I write here the LCM of what? 15, 25 and 30 is equal to. So students, now let us solve. So how to solve? But student, be careful if 3 numbers are present. Why? Because there 2 numbers were present and we have seen the common factors. But here 3 numbers are there, but in between 2 also, if some common factors are there, we will take it also only once. Remember, we have taken the common factors only once at the last for multiplication. Okay. So now students, 3 here is present, 3 here not present, here present. But first we will see the common factor in all 3. Okay. So 5, here also 5, here also 5. Circle 5 once. So one time all 3 common is there. So first I am writing 5 so that confusion should not be there, which I am writing and which I am leaving. Okay. So 5, 5 and 5. So only once we will take the common factor. So 5. Okay. Now see students, here 3 is there, here 3 is not there, but here 3 is present. So if in 2 also some common factors are there, we will take once. So see here 3 and here 3. So for these 2, 3 we will take 1, 3. Then students, here 5 is there, but here 2 is there. No other common factors are left. So simply 5 and 2 we will write. 5 and 2. I hope you are understanding. If you are not, just watch this video twice or thrice. It is very easy. You will be able to understand it easily. Okay. Now 5 are 25. So that it will be easy. I am telling you this multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50, and 50 what is left? 3. So 50 multiplied by 3. So simply 3 zeros are 3 5s are 15. So answer which we have received is 150. So students, the LCM of 15, 25 and 30 is 150. So students, be careful in finding the common factors. In all three you have to see. First common factor you will write only once, not 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 5 are there, so don't write 3 times 5. Okay. Single time 5. Then 3 is common in 15 and 30, so write 3 only once. Then what is left which is not common? That you will write one time all. Okay. So after finding this, you have to multiply the answer and you will find the least common factor of the given number. So students, I hope you have understood question number A very well. So students, in this way you will solve question number A. Now moving to question number B. So students, in question number B, see, question is find the LCM by short division method. Now students, here prime factorization method was used for finding LCM, but here the question is by short division method. Okay, so how to find it out by short division method? We will see it here. So question number 1 I am writing here, 30 and 55. What is short division method? You are very well aware about long division method, student. So 30 and 55. Simply first you will write here. Then you have to make a line like this. Now you have to pick a prime number which will be common to both first. Okay. So in the table of 2, will these two numbers come? Can it be divided by 2? No. It can be divided by 3? I don't think so. So we will take directly 5. 5, 6 30. We have to divide these two numbers by this. Okay, short division method. This is also a kind of division. So 5, 6 30. Okay. Then what is left? We will put comma. Then for 55, 5, 11 55. So see carefully. 5, 6 30. 5, 11 55. Is it clear to you, students? Yes. So now table of 2, 6 will come. Yes. 2, 3 just 6. But 11 will not come in the table of 2. So simply directly write 11 as it is. Now 3. 3 ones are 3. But 11 again in the table of 3. 11 will not come. We will copy it down. Same as it is. Now table of 11. 1 is as it is. And then 11 ones are 11. Till this one will not come, we will have to divide it. Okay. So now here what you will write? Therefore, the LCM of 30, 55, 30 and 55, 30 and 55 is equal to. So how to find the LCM, students? See here carefully now. So simply students, you have to multiply these all numbers. Simply this is 1, so you have to multiply this all 4 numbers so to get your LCM, because these are the only common factors which can divide this 2. So directly write 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. 5, 2, 3 and 11. Already here it is 1. 5, 2, 3, 11. Okay. So see students, 5 11s are 55 and 2 3s are 6. So now directly 5 11s are 55, 2 3s are 6. So we have taken our 4, 6 5s are 30 and 6 5s are 30 plus 3, 33. So students, 330 is the answer received here. So students, in the same way you have to solve all the questions. This is rough work, don't write it here. Okay, so in this way you can find the LCM by short division method. So students, this is very easy way to find the LCM. If any method is not given, try to solve like this, because only you have to multiply these all and you will receive the LCM. So students, try to solve 3.5 completely. Thank you for watching.